This is your first look at HyperOS 3.0, and to put it in simple words, it's basically iOS 26 for Android but without the bugs, and you get a lot of customization options as well. Yes, that's exactly what it is. In this video, I'll tell you everything about this update, so let's quickly get started because I have a flight to catch. Let's get started. First of all, the biggest change is in the lock screen itself. You now have My Sets, which work exactly like iPhone's wallpaper collections. You just have to tap and hold the lock screen, tap on Customize Lock Screen, and then you see all the wallpaper sets that you have already saved. You can scroll through them exactly like you do it on your iPhone, but unlike iPhone, you can scroll down for more stock options. One more thing that differentiates My Sets from collections is that you can customize both lock screen and home screen even in the previously saved sets, which is something iPhone doesn't allow. There's obviously depth effect just like iOS, there's visibility issue just like iOS, and with this new default wallpaper and effect exactly like iOS. By the way, Xiaomi has also added quite a lot of clock styles to choose from, and you can now directly apply them from here instead of choosing the theme first and then changing the wallpaper. And again, it supports depth effect for all the clock styles, which is nice. There's also this cool feature called AI Wallpapers where you can select any photo you want and it'll generate cool wallpapers like this. Some of these are static, some add AI movement to make it more dynamic, and some are stylized into 3D cartoon, anime or needle felting, which by the way looks very cool. Overall, I find all of these customization options pretty interesting. The only thing missing is the widgets, which I think will arrive in the future updates, but other than that, it's pretty solid. Now, when you get to the home screen, the first thing you'll notice are these new icons. Xiaomi has updated a lot of their system app icons, and some of these look exactly like iOS. The phone app icon, the messages app, the recorder app are ditto copy, and gallery is also heavily inspired. They also added this search button on the home screen just like iOS, and the edit options now have a Gaussian blur effect for obvious reasons. Apart from that, Xiaomi has finally added double tap to lock screen, which was missing for a very long time. One thing that felt like a downgrade is that home screen layout options are now reduced to just 2, which was 3 before. There are also some cool new widgets for weather, home screen pets, calendar, and even gallery, but I do hope that they bring these to India this time. Next up, the notification panel also got one minor update. The app action options are now all caps so that you, yes, I'm talking to you reply timely. The control center is also more colorful now, and for some strange reason, the colors are synced exactly like iOS control center. Just see for yourself. The status bar icons also look a bit more modern, and the Wi-Fi icon lost 1 bar. It was 4 bars before, but now it's just 3. I don't know if you noticed, but the Wi-Fi icon on iOS also has just 3 bars. Now, here's an important life lesson. Attention to detail is what matters the most, even when you're copying. And just like Dynamic Island, Xiaomi has also brought their very own Hyper Island. Creative, man. It shows you live activities for music, timer, charging, just like iOS, and you can switch between different activities just like One UI Now bar. Alright, I'm sure you're waiting for animations, right? Let's get to it. Actually, Xiaomi has claimed that they have refined over 100 system-wide animations, and the phone definitely feels slightly smoother than before, especially in the system apps, but that's about it. There's nothing major this time. To be honest, no change was required as well, because with HyperOS 2, the animations got so much better than before. Apart from all of these changes, there are some noticeable changes in the system apps as well. The phone app call screen is quite similar to iOS, and not just that, even the call recording placement is exactly the same. In the gallery app, there's now a new sorting option, which definitely makes life easy. And in action bar options menu, you now get text as well. The settings app also look a bit more modern with updated icons for sound, notifications, battery, and it now matches better with iOS. The sort menu in the Files app is also redesigned. There's now a ear view option in the calendar app, which looks exactly like, well, never mind. And the volume panel seems to be aging. It got shorter, thicker, and more rounded. And oh, although it's iOS, there are some very interesting Apple ecosystem features as well. Just install this app called Xiaomi Interconnectivity on your iPhone, and after that, you can remotely control your Xiaomi phone from your iPhone. You can turn on hotspot, play sound on the phone to find it easily, send and receive media as easily as AirDrop, and you can even sync your iPhone notifications to your Xiaomi phone. So those were all the new features in HyperOS 3. Now, if you're wondering when will you get this update, well, you can expect the update starting January 2026. These are the list of supported devices. You can just pause and check if your device is supported. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this one. What features will make it to India and what will not, only time will tell. But if you enjoyed watching this video, please press that like button as it really means a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.